What if your WordPress website could design itself, structure pages, write content, and build layouts, all with the help of AI? I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're exploring one of the most exciting updates in WordPress, the brand new site planner built into Elementor, combined with the Hello Biz theme. This feature transforms how we approach web design, automating everything from content creation to full-page layouts, directly inside the world's most popular page builder. If you've ever used Elementor before, this update will change the game. And if you are new to WordPress, you'll see how AI can now do the heavy lifting in building professional websites. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get started. WordPress Elementor AI Site Planner. Good news, guys, the design revolution has arrived, and you can see it clearly in one of the most popular platforms out there, WordPress. Specifically, we're talking about the most widely used WordPress website builder, Elementor. Today, that's all you need, plus the brand new and fully optimized Hello Biz theme. We're going to explore all the new features, including the powerful built-in AI tools. You'll see exactly how it works as we generate a complete web page using these features. Alright folks, let's start with the Site Planner, Elementor's newest tool, and it's a game changer. This tool allows you to plan and build an entire website in just minutes. It uses your brief to not only generate content, but to map out and create a professional website structure from scratch. Let's dive into the setup, my friends. Say we want to create a website called TechFlow Solutions. The AI asks for a description of the business. We provide that. Then it wants to know what services we offer, and after that asks about the key objectives of the website. So we describe those too. It even includes secondary goals. You can either write your own or choose from suggested options. For language, we'll stick with English, but you can select multiple languages if needed. Then we are prompted to describe additional requirements. And at the next step, guys, it asks about your communication and branding tone. There's a selection of various brand personality styles. For pages, we'll go with a standard set: home, services, and contact. But you can easily add more if you need them. Finally, we define the target audience. Let's keep it simple and select all genders. At this point, Site Planner has all the information it needs. It confirms the brief is complete and immediately starts generating the sitemap. This is where the magic begins, folks. Within moments, we can review a full wireframe of the website. And I have to say, the result is impressive. Even at this planning stage, we can start customizing the structure before diving into full development. You can easily edit or replace sections using preset blocks or tweaking various design options. My friends, this is a massive leap forward in how we approach website building. In the sitemap view, you can also edit the content, rewrite it manually, or regenerate and rename sections. And you can even track where each section appears in the wireframe. It's an all-in-one planning tool that lets you finalize your site's structure and content before a single page is actually built. Alright guys, now we're ready to move from planning to building. Site Planner runs a quick dependency check, making sure your site is available and also that the Elementor plugin is active and all permissions are in place. You can do all this manually or simply hit Run Check. Once it's done, Elementor will begin generating the first mockup of your real website based on your brief. Okay folks, let's go ahead and run the check, connect our Site Planner to the account and apply the kit. And now, here comes the magic. Our planning turns into a fully functional website. Ta-da! Your site is ready. We'll install the Hello Biz theme, which we already have, along with the other required tools. And now, guys, we'll activate the AI features and go to the site. And just like that, we have a beautiful, real website. Exactly as planned in the wireframe. All the pages are in place. Everything's fresh, clean, and precisely what we wanted. All that's left is to replace the placeholder images and fine-tune some of the text. And of course, my friends, you can use the built-in tools to polish the visuals and content even further. Final thoughts. And there you have it, a full-featured, Beautifully designed website, created entirely with Elementor's AI Site Planner and the HelloBiz theme. As you've just seen, guys, everything was built in minutes, without writing any code. Elementor's new AI tools are more than just a time saver. They offer a smarter, more intuitive way to bring your web design ideas to life. Whether you're starting from scratch or reimagining your brand online, this new approach makes professional web creation more accessible than ever. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.